Hi, welcome to my channel Cheekaboo, where we do things in a fun, cheeky sort of way. Sometimes we might learn something, like today. We're going to learn how to fold sheets the easy way, both flat and fitted sheets, and then when we go to put them back on the bed, all we do is simply unfold them, and voila, the bed is made, with a little tuck here and there, of course. So today let's start with the fitted sheet, also known as the bottom sheet. So that's what we have here, all wadded up out of the wash, not any certain way. So we're going to look for the tag first. We're going to start with that. The biggest tag on the sheet. So let's see if we can find it. Let's see. Oh, okay, there it is. So there's the tag on the sheet. So we want to make sure our sheet is the wrong way out, remember? Not the right side out. So if you look at your sheet, here's the raw edge of the elastic, and here's the nice seamed edge that's pretty. So we're going to take that tag and just keep it out and turn everything else wrong side out. And there you go. So we're going to start by folding it over towards that tag. So fold it over like that. Guess I need to pull it back here a little bit. And remember, a fitted sheet never goes smooth completely. It's always going to be a little bumpy. So we're going to just do our best, but I'm going to show you a little trick. So fold it in a third and then fold it in a third again. So whenever you go to unroll it, this is how we're going to unroll it. So remember, that tag is still down here on the bottom. Okay, so fold this over all the way down, fold it in half, smooth it out a little bit if you want, and then fold it in half again. So voila, there's your bottom fitted sheet, and when it's in the cabinet, that's as nice as it's going to look. I mean, it's pretty nice. It's not perfect, but it's great. So we're going to take it and we're going to make our bed now. So remember, I said that the left corner is, when you're laying in the bed, it's the left side of the bed, not when you're looking at the bed. So we're going to take that corner and put that tag side down. We're going to start unfolding it. Very simple. And then pull it down to the other end and just start unfolding it. And this is how we're going to make the bed. See how it's already opening up just how we want it to make the bed? And then all we're going to have to do is just tuck it in. So there we go. All right, now all we do is start tucking. And there's that. Okay. And then here's this side. Let's tuck this. And then let's tuck this. And then we just have the other corner up here to tuck. There we go. You see, all smooth, easily peasy, done. Now let's go to our flat sheet, also known as the top sheet. Again, all wadded up, no special way. So when we fold it, we're going to want the pretty side out. So here's your pretty side. See, the seam is nice. It's not the raw edge that doesn't look very nice. This is the side we want out when we make the bed. So when folding it, you want to fold it out. So gather your ends together. No need to lay it on the bed any certain way. Just start lining it up and it'll fall into place as you shake it into place. So smooth that out, kind of like that. And then let's get our other corners together. There's that one. There's that one. All right. And then you put your corners together. Let's see if we've got this right. Done this so many times, I've never done it to demonstrate. But this is fun, right? Okay, so just shake it all flat. Shake it all flat. All right, okay, so it's all smooth. We're going to bring this side back to us. Actually, wrong way. I guess it doesn't matter. You can do it either side. I just flipped it over for some reason, but it doesn't matter. You can do it either way, as long as that pretty seam side is out. So this is out, this is out, and voila. There's your flat sheet going on the top. And here's that pretty seam that we want to show. So when you go to make your bed, you just put it on the bed, how you start. Up here at the left corner of the bed. Start unrolling it, pull it down, and keep in mind this will be the center of your bed. So pull it down however you like your sheets to hang on your bed, and then just keep unfolding it. Unfold it, unfold it. All right, then we're gonna go to the other side. And see how I'm not having to shake it, nothing, I just keep unfolding it. Voila, and then I unfold this part, and it's down. Again, just smooth it out, it's really all you have to do. No shaking, no, oh I gotta turn it over, it's on the wrong side. Nope, it's already folded that way and you're unfolding it the same way, so it's perfect. So just tuck it in on each side, tuck it in. Smooth it out just a little bit. Voila! And then we do the little fancy corner tuck. All right, voila. Gotta do the other side. Fancy corner tuck. And voila. There you go. That's how you fold sheets to put them back on the bed easily by simply unfolding them. So, if y'all like my channel, tell your friends, because ultimately, cheekaboo will be liked in the end.